Even an 8 square meter small bedroom can be completely transformed. In the past, the bed was placed in the center of the room, which led to poor storage, cramped walkways, and a bay window that quickly became a cluttered storage area. With a smart renovation, a half wall is built in the center of the bedroom to create a walk-in wardrobe. The wall is fitted with metal hanging racks, which are affordable, durable, and space-saving. Slim storage cabinets are added on the outside, while a floating vanity is installed against the wall, perfect for getting ready. Pulling the sheer curtains makes the space look elegant while keeping the dust away. The bay window is redesigned to double as a bed frame. Once the salts and mattresses are added, it becomes a cozy sleeping area. Cabinets along the window side increase storage and also help to prevent moisture. Next to the bed, stepped platform with drawers on both levels. Neatly organized shorts, pants, and socks, making everything easy to access. Finally, an L-shaped desk paired with the bookshelves creates a bright, comfortable study corner. With this layout, the small bedroom becomes fully functional, storage is doubled, and every inch of space is used efficiently.